Do not jump on the camera. Just put it down.
That's gay. You guys are just sitting there.
I'm gonna stand up if you put it down. Whoa. Whoa. Ready? That's too far. Ready?
He's gonna do the first time. She's like, ready? And we're just like, ow.
Look at my head.
Look at my head.
Look at my mouth. Ah! Probably not good. Hey guys.
You guys should have seen me at Susie's party. I was going crazy. I was like dancing. Except it was really funny because everyone was just watching me, and I was like, dancing with the drunk old people. So much fun.
A seizure.
And I was like, put your hands up.
A seizure.
Would you?
A seizure. Ow.
Why?
It didn't
This song's gay. I like it. Young Money. Wait. Young Money. What if I was a gangster rap star?
This is Jocelyn.
Okay, I'm eel. Yeah, I'm a young money millionaire, tougher than Nigel. Spoiler. I'm a queen, like a menstrual bleed. Mine, cause I don't break shit, cause I ain't got, cause my second chance, I always go to the my deep of the ch-ch-ch-ch-chopper, sister, brother, son, father. Robert, pussy poppin', cousin poppin'.
I'm trying to get a cracker. A cracker.
Oval, red, and black. Woo! Time for you to get blessed. Time for you to be blessed. Time for Stop! Remember this? I want to be a sprinkler. No, it was definitely.
I'll make a video of this stupid stuff.